Okay. So taking Louie out for a morning run. Today's Epiphany. I don't think I'm supposed to run at 2:22. I think I'm supposed to run at 12. And my only clue is the movie with Leonardo DiCaprio. Two movies. One is The Quick and the Dead. Where they have a gunfight at high noon. So high noon is basically, how could I put this one? I'm gonna go somewhere here. So oh, I'll look for something here, guys. Just hang on. That'll work right there. Okay, so at high noon, if this is the sun here, alright, we'll use this one as the sun. There we go. Alright, oops, down there. There we go. I need that one for the planet. Way over here, I guess. So this is gonna be the planet. Okay, so that's the sun. This is the planet. So I need something for me now. Hang on a minute. Let's use this guy here as me. Let's use me planet. So this is me. Okay, this is at high noon. So as this is at high noon here, the visible electromagnetic radiation wave, represented as this red planet, is penetrating the Earth right here. As I'm running, I'm basically running like this, right? With that sun overhead of me, over top of me. So as I'm running over with that sun on top of me, the electromagnetic radiation is going right through my body, right into the planet. Oops, sorry, you didn't see that, right? So as I'm running like this, the invisible electromagnetic radiation from the sun, like that, the invisible electromagnetic radiation, it's coming down from the sun, it's going right through my body, touching the Earth. It's the perfect time to run at 12 high noon, as opposed to me running over here when it's 2 o'clock. If I'm running over here at 2 o'clock, that invisible electromagnetic radiation isn't penetrating my body. It isn't charging my electricity. It's over here. So I'm theorizing with this new concept that I have to run at high noon. Because if I run over here, like I said, the invisible electromagnetic radiation isn't penetrating me. But at high noon, when the sun is right over top, it's going through my body like that. So that stuff's penetrating my body. So that's my new theory today. And they were trying to get me to run at 2:22. So the 3 2s, because there's 3 of them, if I go 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, and then if I go 6 plus this 2, that's 12. If I go 6 plus this 2, it's 12. If I go 6 plus this 2, it's 12. So it's like 12 entity, 12, or 12 entity, 12 entity, 12 entity, not 222. That's the message, high noon, and that's connected to Leonardo DiCaprio, The Quick and the Dead, where they have a gun battle at high noon. Now he also does another movie called The Revenant, where he gets attacked by a bear. They leave him for dead, which is connected to Annihilation, where there's a girl there. She gets chewed up by a bear, and in that particular scene, the bear There's three ladies tied up in a chair, which is a representation of the Vein Queen, Cassiopeia, which is the artificial intelligent life form. When that bear runs through those three girls, one goes sailing over into the corner, still tied to the chair, and the chair over here on this side of the screen is there's nobody in that chair. It's a representation of Cassiopeia or the Vein Queen going around and around the North Star and falling out of her chair. So that's annihilation. So if I'm to annihilate the artificial intelligent life form through the Leonardo DiCaprio Revenant clue of the bear eating Leonardo DiCaprio and the bear eating the Vein Queen from Annihilation, because that's about artificial intelligence, or it's about an AI. No, it's about an alien. But you could think of it as an AI. So if I'm to defeat the AI, the Vein Queen, and knock her out of her two chairs in that particular scene, I'm to run at high noon, because of the electromagnetic radiation being right overhead and me running in it. Now, they would have me believe that that's going to be scary, like it's going to wake up grandma and grandpa or something, but I'm not going to let that fear bother me. I'm just going to do it anyways, simply because of the potential clue of Leonardo DiCaprio, The Quick and the Dead. You know, that's the gun battle there, right? So, that's today's morning epiphany. He wanted to go for the run today, and if I didn't go for the run, I wouldn't discover this new scientific theory. So, basically what that means, mankind, is once I, run at high noon, for an extended period of time, I don't know how long, but when that wave becomes positive, so when I change the magnetic side and resurrect my grandfather, it becomes positive. And when all those hydrogen atoms stick to the other side, grandmother, well then, when you guys will have to do your running at high noon too to purify yourselves of sin, that wave will be positive and you'll be able to purify yourself of sin a lot faster by running at high noon like me. So, that's today's epiphany. If you guys think you can stop me with your dumb artificial intelligence connected to our brains and your stupid spirits, you're more than welcome to gamble the dice and see what happens, but I can guarantee you nothing's gonna happen. These guys think they can stop me with their nonsense, but look at today's epiphany. You can't stop me. I'm unstoppable, man. It's time to join the good side of creation, guys, and let go of the bad side is what I'm telling you. I'm unstoppable.